Hello my dear crafters, today I'm going to share with you something that's new for me, and I just bought this at JOANN'S and I had never seen this in my local JOANN'S. It was actually something that I bought in Dallas, Texas, but I'm sure they have it online, and they had, at least at this store, they had like 4 or 5 options for you, all very nice. I just chose one because I had never bought it before. So it's a card kit, and as you know, I love making cards. I throw parties with my friends every month practically. We always make cards together, and I buy like Spellbinders, which is like my favorite, Echo Park, and I had never seen these small ones at JOANN'S, but actually I really think they're perfect, and in terms of pricing, it is really good price. So these I bought for, I think it was $14. And you can always get a coupon for 20% off. So you're gonna get this kit with all that comes in it, and I'll show you. I haven't opened it. We're gonna open this together. But I just looked at it and I said, wow, these are beautiful embellishments. So everything comes in it. It's 514 pieces for the card making. So we have 20 cards. So 20 card bases, I believe. We're gonna open together. So 53 stickers. So you have 4 pages, I believe, of stickers. 391. Oh, it's like double-sided adhesive, like the dots. Envelopes. You have washi strips, and you have more ephemera here. So let's look at this, because I really think that this is a great option for us who don't want to spend a lot of money. Sometimes these card kits are quite pricey, and if you're just wanting to have, you know, fun with your friends, then get one of these. I thought that it just looked beautiful, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see what comes inside. So yeah, so you get this box here. It's Gingham Garden. I believe that's the name of this card kit here. I don't know what the brand is, but it's distributed by American Crafts. So you buy it at JOANN'S anyway, and I'm sure you can find it at their website too. I just thought it was a more affordable card kit for us, and for those of you who want to do what I do. Next week I'll have one of parties, and we just sit down and eat and check, you know, catch up and make cards. So anyway, so these are very good. We get a lot of these. These are pop dots, 391. So these are double-sided adhesive with foam, those little ones that we use. Let me just get one so you can see, but very good quality. So there you are, to just make your things, your ephemera pop, to give dimension. So very good. You get a sheet of that. We get the 20 envelopes here. I'm gonna put this aside. I'm really curious to see the cards and the ephemera. And what I like about these cards, I'm just looking at these now, is that they already come with some design on them. Look at that. So if you just add an ephemera here and a beaut, or just a sentiment, you're done. You have your card. Look at that. It's not just blank white. They all have colors. Beautiful. I love it. So it really is nice. So let me get the ephemera out of the way. I want to show you the card bases, okay? So that's one. This one is beige. It looks like wood. It has a wood feel to it. I love it, and it's very good quality, guys. I can attest to that. It's very thick. So good card bases. I just can't believe how bad my local JOANN'S is for cards and paper stuff. Now that I went to a store in another state, I'm really disappointed with my local ones now. But look at this one, and it has gold foiling, a bird. I mean, this is a card in itself. All you need is to add something here, and maybe if you have stamps, you can stamp something inside. This is gorgeous, really beautiful colors. Let me show you the back. Really nice, guys. I'm impressed. And look at the, I'm gonna check online too, because they had so many options. I just got one, but they had some beautiful options. They had one for 4th of July. Look at this one. It has like a tag in front, and that's the back. And it's so thick, you wouldn't believe it. And this one, that's the last one. So yeah, so these are the card bases, and you get 20 of those. So it's a card kit that you can make 20 cards out of. So let's look at the sticker books. I mean the sticker sheets, okay? So you have beautiful flowers here. I think it's upside down, yeah. Flowers and butterflies. This one has thinking of you, smile, and some sentiments, and some little flowers and butterflies again. So very nice stickers, beautiful sentiments. Forever, I love you, thanks from the heart. So, oh, I love this one here. It looks like a stamp. So there's more. Guys, it's a really good kit. So for those of you who look at the other ones and go, wow, it's too expensive, this is a great option. And you know me, I always want to show you good options. Oh, these are these are actually strips, washi tapes. These are washi strips. So 4 of those. Oh, that's more card bases. So let's look at the ephemera, okay? And we get, let me look again, 22 pieces here. They're very, very thick. Let me show you. Very, very thick. So you get 2 of those. That thinking of you. So just beautiful, beautiful ephemera, guys. I'm in love with this. So maybe I'll be getting more of these too for when I throw my parties. Look at this bird, how beautiful. So you make me happy. Guys, get your friends together. It's the best. I have friends now that they call me, when are we gonna do it again? I mean, they're totally addicted to card making now. Yesterday, one of them called me, Paula, when are we doing it again? There you go, birds. Beautiful. And these are very, very, it's almost like chipboard, but it's not. But it's very, very good quality. Look at that. Flowers. I'm just going to do this because I think it's easier for you to see. Oh, look at this butterfly. How gorgeous. And it comes on the back of the box. You have ideas on how to put them together. So that's always good, especially for beginners. And 2 tags. Guys, I love it. Totally approved. I hope you liked it. So look it up. I bought it at JOANN'S, but I'm sure you can go to americancrafts.com and they'll have these card kits there, and they are totally worth it. It's like $14. So if you buy at JOANN'S, you can use like the 20% off, and that's gonna be like $11. So look at that. Perfect. All we need to make cards and have fun with our friends. So this is it for today. It's just a quick sharing kind of video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next.